CRM Analytics dashboards give you an interactive view of your data that allows you to drill down into details. Let's explore some of those features in the Opportunity Details dashboard. This dashboard gives you a high-level overview of your sales opportunities. You can drill down in a number of ways, including filtering. You can filter by stage by clicking these toggles, or other specifics through these drop-downs. You can also filter your dashboards by faceting. Faceting allows you to click on one chart element to apply that selection to all charts on the dashboard. Clicking the bottom of the funnel filters the other charts to reflect the selection. If you see something interesting, you can bring it to the attention of your team by annotating. You can attach the current screenshot that you see for reference as well. To save the current view of the dashboard, click the Modified drop-down. And at any time, you can reset all of your filters and return to the initial view.